the shape of the wing, doing two things. More drag, yes, but a lot more lift. So let's watch it as it comes